In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install iOS launcher on Samsung Galaxy A16. Open the Play Store, install this application. I have already installed it, so I will simply open it, allow the access, tap on allow, tap on allow all. Now simply scroll down, tap on make the default launcher, tap on OK, select the launcher iOS 18 from here. Now simply tap on OK. I will simply go on home. As you can see, iOS launcher is installed on my Samsung Galaxy A16. Now if you want to add add-on, then simply go in launcher. From here you can install the wallpapers, blur effect, animation, change icon and other iOS add-ons. So this is how you can install iOS launcher on Samsung Galaxy A16. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.